We recommend everyone to know Prime Day 2020. BISSELL Power Steamer Heavy Duty 3-in-1 Steam Mop and Handheld Steamer. When is Prime Day 2020? Prime Day is an annual event just for Prime members on October. This year assigned 13 to October 14, 2020, delivering incredible select on products from small businesses and top brands. Beat the holiday hustle and shop for everyone on your gift list during Prime Day 2020. Happy everyone on Prime Day 2020. You can find wanted. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. If you want to get highlight features and full review of BISSELL Power Steamer Heavy Duty 3-in-1 Steam Mop and Handheld Steamer, please visit the link in YouTube description below. Overview Summary. Powerful, high-temperature steam product to remove dirt, grime, grease stains, and mold across a variety of indoor and outdoor surfaces. 3-in-1 Heavy-Duty, multi-purpose steam cleaner. Chemical-free. And if you do not understand, not sure or have questions, you can leave questions in the comments box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, please press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.